Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniela. Thank you for watching. Yeah, it's been a week. Yes, I'm so sorry. My life has gone from like this to like this right now. Okay, now today's video is about how to stop you from wasting money on skincare products, and how to actually create a 3 to 5 basic skincare routine that you would see results with, you would like, and would actually suit and give you the kind of results that you want to get. I mean, suit your budget and of course help you achieve results with skincare. So if that sounds interesting to you, then continue to watch. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Yeah, the real MVP. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. And if you're a new subscriber, do not consider this video last. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and of course watch other videos. Now we have videos in playlist right here, so you can actually click and watch videos on face care or body care. All right, so today's routine or today's video is actually, guys, I feel like I've added a little bit of weight. I'm looking at myself in the mirror now and I feel a bit fat or plump. Is it me? Okay, that's just by the way. All right, so when it comes to face skincare routine, you want to go for something that is budget friendly. That means you can easily buy it over and over again. You want to go for something that is effective. You want to go for something that helps you to touch on the key components, like the very important parts of skincare, okay? And you also want to go for something that would help you to see results effectively. Lastly, you want to go for something that is going to protect your skin's moisture barrier. Now, these are the 5 steps or 5 things to look out for when you're trying to start a skincare routine, or when you're trying to create a basic face skincare routine. A lot of people think that it is when I go to the market and start splurging on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 skincare products before I start seeing results. No, if you have 10 skincare products and number 1, they don't maintain your moisture barrier, number 2, you can't easily buy it over and over again. Like, okay, if you start a routine now with maybe the ordinary, because of your current financial status, you can't rebuy it. It is not something that you should actually think about starting in the first place, because it is obviously way above your budget. Then if it is something that is not giving you effective results, if after using it for 30 days to 60 days, that's 1 to 2 months, then it is not something that you should constantly include in your face skincare routine. All right, so now that we have touched up on that, you need to know that skincare products like niacinamide, tretinoin, retinol, face mask, clay mask, all those things, they are not essentials. They are not necessities. Do you understand? That's why even if you are not using them in your skincare routine, your skin should pretty much actually look good. Maybe not excellent or perfect, but your skin should look good. But if you are compromising on skincare products that cleanse, maintains moisture barrier, and of course helps to protect your skin from the sun, that is when your skin would actually not look as good as you want it to be, okay? Because those key steps are necessities. They are compulsory and they are very, very important. So if you're not using it regularly, or if you're not using it if you're not following the basic necessities in your skincare routine, and you're focusing on gel mask, clay mask, tretinoin, all the you will not see the kind of results that you want to get. And this is really, really important to take note of. All right, so now let's move into the next segment of the video, which talks about what are the basic steps, that you should follow in your skincare routine. Like, I'm a beginner, I don't know anything about face care. How do I start? This is what you should look at first. Number 1, a good cleanser. And that can mean something that is tailored to your skincare routine, okay? Or something that is tailored to your actual skin and condition. The very first thing is a good cleanser. I've been using this Cerave foaming cleanser with niacinamide, ceramides, and of course a lot of hyaluronic acid recently. I've been using that recently, and honestly, it does not give me the squeaky clean, but it has helped with my moisture barrier. And it has helped because I now balance it with other skincare products that would help me to work on the acne that I have on my face. And they're just two anyway. It's not like a serious situation. The very next thing that you need to focus on when it comes to creating a basic and effective skincare routine is a good moisturizer. And I've been using Sun by Me, but honestly, I'm looking forward to trying the Cosrx Snail Advanced Snail Cream, something 90. This is a picture here. Why? Because it has a lot of moisture ingredients inside it. I've read a lot of reviews, I've watched a lot of videos, and people keep talking about it in a really good way, and I really want to try it and get it and show you guys. But the Sun by Me moisturizer has worked effectively for me. Now, when you're using a moisturizer, you need to make sure that you're using something that hydrates your skin, okay, that adds moisture, or that keeps the moisture that your skin naturally provides or reserves intact. It is not allowing moisture to escape from your skin's barrier, but it is actually locking the moisture in, because when you have a good moisturizer, you can build on a good moisture barrier, okay, and add skincare actives and acids that will deliver effectively for your skin concern. The very next thing that you need to take care of when you want to start a basic face care routine is sun protection, and this is something that quite a lot of people have not even taken importance of. Like, you don't think it is important for you to actually start using a very good sunscreen. This is something that is really, really important. I don't know why, because a lot of people think it is quite expensive. But let me give you an example. If you get the Sun-Cut UV Perfect Gel, and that's the recommended sunscreen from, honestly, I've been using it. I absolutely love it. This is a picture here. If you get that, it's about, I think, 100 to 150 ml. 2 finger spread, okay, is okay. You can use that one bottle for 1 to 2 months. Honestly, and that gives you enough time to save up extra coins again, because it goes for around 6,900. It gives you extra time to save up coins to be able to buy it after 2 months. This is how to approach skincare if you're on a budget, okay? But sunscreen is really, really important. Like, even if your skin has no spots or anything, if you're trying to maintain your skin's brightness, your skin's fairness, or your skin's plumpness, the way it is so soft and stuff, you need to use sunscreen. It is really, really important, and a lot of people just skip on it. They pass it by. They don't think it is important. Now that we are focused and we've talked about the basic cardinal steps when it comes to you starting a facial skincare routine, let me do a recap, and then I'll give you move to the next section of today's video. The recap is this: you need a good cleanser, and my top recommendation is the Cerave Foamy Hydrating Cleanser with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides. I've been using it lately, and it's a cardinal and something really, really mild. Doesn't do so much, but just cleanses your skin without stripping your skin of natural moisture, and it gives you the kind of results that you want to get if you're just starting with skincare routine. And it is for all skin types. That's normal to all skin types. However, if your skin is acne prone, you want to look for another cleanser that would help with that. The second thing I mentioned is moisturizing, and this is where the Sun by Me moisturizer here, I've been using it recently and I really, really like it. I'm done with it right now, and I just ordered for new products, but God help me, I hope they deliver on time. This is the issue that I have with recommending vendors for you guys. Yeah. So I ordered the Cosrx Snail 92 cream. It's really, really nice, and it's a Korean skincare brand, and I look forward to trying it. Moisturizing is really, really good for maintaining your skin's moisture barrier, and it is going to act as a good cushion for the other skin actives and acids that you'll be putting in your skincare routine. The last thing that I mentioned is sun protection, and that is where your sunscreen, which is the Sun-Cut UV Perfect Gel, or the Aqua, or the Cosrx, or Black Girl sunscreen, whichever one you use, comes into the picture. But those 3 steps are basic. Now let's move to the next section, and that means if you've not been watching this video to the end, you need to start watching my videos to the end, because this is where the juice starts to come out in today's video. All right, the next section talks about treatments. This is where you now start to decide, okay, where exactly do I fall in the spectrum of skincare? Okay, what age am I? What is my skin complexion? What is my skin type? Okay, and what is the results that I want to achieve? Now, I'm 28. I started anti-aging. Occasionally, I have acne, and my skin is normal. That is exactly what you are going to do for yourself. Hi, I'm Kemi. I'm 26. My skin is acne prone, and I have acne consistently. That is how to work. That is how to create a good facial skincare routine. Now, looking at my own story now, let me now tell you how I was able to come up with a routine, a facial skincare routine that doesn't break the bank and of course gives me the kind of results that I get, of course, that you guys always see. Now, the first thing is this. I told you that I switched from my former cleanser to the Cerave foamy cleanser because it has niacinamide. Key ingredient is niacinamide. It acts as a treatment, okay, against acne. It really works for not consistent acne, but acne that comes once in a while. All right, so after that, I use my toner, which is basic, compulsory for me, but not exactly compulsory for everybody's skincare routine, okay? The next thing that I use is vitamin C serum, and that helps with what? The previous acne spots that I've had before. It also has mild anti-aging benefits that just sits on top of my face during the day, okay? Then the next thing that I do during the day, of course, is to moisturize, and lastly, sunscreen. Then at night, okay, that's, if you count it, that's about 4 steps, okay? 5 steps in my daytime skincare routine, and that really doesn't break the bank if you're just starting your skincare routine. However, at night, this is what I do. I use the same cleanser, I use the same toner, and then I use retinol, okay? I use retinol. Retinol is going to help me with the anti-aging. Retinol also helps to prevent acne. That is it's a good vitamin A derivative that actually works for acne too and stops it from coming out as often as it used to be. However, if you're just starting retinol, watch my previous anti-aging skincare routine where I teach you how to introduce retinol into your skincare routine. After that, I go with moisturizing because retinol tends to dry out the skin. You need to moisturize very well if you want to see results with harsh skincare actives like vitamin A, tretinoin, retinoid, or retinol. All right, then the last thing, sometimes I use a facial oil, sometimes I just skip, but this is really important. So that means I do 5 steps in the morning and then I do 4 steps at night. If you count it, cleanse, tone, retinol, moisturize. Okay, that's for morning, cleanse, tone, vitamin C serum, moisturize, sunscreen. Look at that. And that means I am not breaking the bank. I'm not just looking at what is trending and adding it to my skincare routine and wasting money. And that gives me time to actually allow my skin to be consistent so I can see good results. Okay, did you learn something from today's video? If you did, let me know in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I'm so sorry that it has taken me quite a while to film another video. My life has just, you guys saw the life updates. It is not exactly easy, but we make it work. And I promise you guys that I'm always going to be consistent and I'm going to give you value if you are subscribed to this channel. My videos are always going to help you answer questions regarding your skincare, your beauty, or your lifestyle. All right, so if that looks like something that you're interested in and you haven't still subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Why? Because it helps the algorithm to let us push our content to people who also need to watch videos like this. So if you enjoyed today's video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. How many steps is your skincare routine? Is it 5? Is it 4? Is it 6? Is it 7? And why? Let me know in the comment section. I look forward to talking to you guys in another video. Bye guys.